Boy, some of y'all boys got this thing driving around like it's a dog that has worms dragging ass across the ground. All right, you put that rear lift kit on, boys. As I'm gonna show you my 2016 F-150. I got that squat on there, and what I'm gonna do is show y'all how to fix it, how to keep it from leaning. You see it leaning in the back like that, back all down low. What I'm gonna do is show y'all how to bring that up so your truck sits nice and level, okay? Alright, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put these factory blocks back in there that belong in the truck. Basically what you do is you put the block in there and it makes the truck sit like it's supposed to, not like it's dragging an ass on the ground, okay? See how low it sits there in the back? It looks kind of goofy. Alright y'all, just like that. No more squatting in the back. This might lead to other things. You might end up moving out your parents' house. You know, maybe stop dating underage girls and all that. You don't got to go to those fancy truck meets, drinking Busch Light. Maybe you could get a job if you do this. Who knows? But hopefully this was a good video. Hopefully it showed you that you can put the rear half of your lift kit on the truck so you don't got to drive around looking so silly, all right? As you see here, basically what we did was crawl under here. Oh, I'm getting old. Just put this block in here. That's what you boys need to do. Put the rear half of your lift kit on, boys. Looking silly driving down the road. You boys are silly. How are you supposed to pull a trailer like that? Huh? Woo-wee-wee! Got that thing looking right now, boy. Got that thing looking good, boy. Oh yeah, no more squatting. If you guys like the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Oh hell yeah, brother!